Since you are the one driving, and you have the power to crash and kill us all.
I feel a little drunk tonight. Oh, you wouldn't.
I saw 2 cops this morning.
Hey George, where are we going?
We're going to Gunbrook.
Gun? Shoot!
Don't mind at night.
So George, what happened with the first one? Uh-oh, close!
Oh, guys, it's 420.
Women failing again.
Guess
Guys,
We have no service.
Oh, shit, we're lost.
I like your phone thing.
What?
There's a woman right there.
Munch.
Walking there anyway. So should we just?
Well, yeah, but
Should we just do it?
if we find a place to park, then
Yeah,
yeah.
look at those
This is the place to park.
It says no parking, though.
Where?
Nope.
Literally where?
Do not park anywhere outside the designated parking area.
Wait,
Oh,
where's the
people are
designated-
going in.
Wait, where's the designated parking area?
I can't wait to piss on this trail, actually. Like, holy shit, I've been holding it for an hour.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh, I guess.
Yo, I just opened the garage all the way from here. The garage of your house is gonna be open now.
Holy shit, she did it. That's crazy.
That's
crazy. Oh my god, please leave. You can cry if you want to.
God, he's so hot. He's so hot.
You should get.
Oh, he did it, and he parked the car, and he bumped the front into it.
There, you can move now.
Ow, my ass hit the door. His ass.
Then we're doing it. I didn't even know you had a hat on until now.
Wait, you have a hat?
You suck. He locked me in.
I want to see your shirt.
Wait. Now. Let's rock and roll. You bitch.
Oh my god, I love that hat.
I can already hear the waterfall.
What hat?
His hat.
Wait, Charlie.
Charlie.
I want to see your hat.
Oh my god, it's so good. I like your hat.
I like your hat.
Yeah,
This is Max's.
I like it. That's crazy.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I ain't staying. I ain't no bitch. Annabelle, come on.
Take it while it's recording. Why did you wear slides?
I thought it was funny.
You're the star of the show, Ryan.
That's kind of epic. This guy, am I right?
This guy, am I right? This guy. Stop filming me.
Look at that dumpy.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Why guns? We're going waterfall hunting.
Oh, let's keep going. Charlie, zoom.
Annabelle, here you are. Yay! Backup camp. Benjamin.
My shit.
Holy shit. Can you believe this guy? This guy with the fork? This guy. Annabelle! Say hi! She's waterbending it! That's insane! No way! Turn around.
Oh. Hey George. This is a message from your friend Charlie from 2020. I plan to kill myself tomorrow. I hope you can stop me. I don't think you can. The ants go marching one by one. Hurrah, hurrah. Yeah.
I know that guy.
Who?
That's Carlos Salad.
Oh shit. That's Ben.
Here I am, in a location.
That's insane.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Where'd you get that water bend?
Your mom.
Okay.
Do the bit.
Uh-oh, the lens is on the camera.
A pog.
Are we recording the end of the video?
Sure.
Are we recording?
Probably right.
Fuck.
To the outro. Alright guys, that's it for this.
Waterfall hunting.
Waterfall hunting.
We shot some waterfalls.
We sure
We did. We caught them.
Pow, pow, pow. Like that.
Right now I'm gonna clap and it's gonna end the video.
That's a smash cut if I did my
Okay,
editing.
no, that doesn't. Okay, ready? And then. Alright. Now you can end it. 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 And then.
And scene.
And then. And then.